at 10:30 a.m. Just woke up probably about half an hour ago, eating breakfast. And yeah, last night was a tough sleep. Woke up about 4 or 5 times. It was just so cold, absolutely freezing. Couldn't get comfortable. Our neighbours behind us were like talking really loudly. I think they encountered either a bear or some raccoon or something. I was afraid it would come in, and then like half an hour later I saw this silhouette come into our tent, and I think it was a raccoon, and it just popped around. So we missed the sunrise that we planned to do because it was just too cold. We didn't really wake up in time, and we'll probably go for a hike today.
The Mirror Trail to Mirror Lake. Gary's just looking it up. Should be close by. Another sunny day at Yosemite. This hike is pretty close by. It takes about an hour to get there, I think. So we should be able to get back in time, squirrel, for sort of chill out a bit and get ready to hike to Glacier Point and Half Point. That'll be the plan for today. I figured out it's actually easier to get the shuttle from housekeeping camp, so we came back to get the shuttle. Here, having my Cliff Energy shot for a shot of energy. So a bit of a review here. The Cliff Shot Energy Gel Double Espresso. Sort of like a thick, coffee flavoured gel-like substance, quite flavourful. Yeah, so Mirror Lake's our first stop for today. Famous for magnificent views of surrounding peaks reflecting the water's glassy surface, I believe. And we are now in mountain lion habitat.
It was a publicised attraction for late 19th century tourists. And yeah, you can see the view of a half dome from space at any time of the year.
Mist trail for Vernal Falls. Plus, slide gazer. How are you coping, Gary? Is it tough? Is it grueling?
I'm rushing my water, so I think smart, think ahead. This is a tough trail, not many people do this, as you can see, so think smart and you won't die.
It's too much uphill. Every single day it's just uphill. I think this is it. Vernal Falls. Finally.
Time for lunch now.
So sleep. This is a struggle after minimal sleep and minimal breakfast.
Finally made it to the top. See the falls behind me. Oh jeez, there's a little chilling squirrel right there. Yeah, anyway, that last bit of the hike's pretty difficult, really steep steps, but the view up here is worth it, and there's a different trail down, so I was waiting for Gary to get back up, but yeah, Vernal Falls, quite a shortish hike. It's got some tough bits. Hello.
and I don't know, just easier. But it's been everything but easy. This constant uphill like this. I think hopefully it starts to get downhill soon. Gone through about 1 million of these bends, curving all the way downhill. I've been taking my room in Perth, just relaxing, doing nothing, lying down in bed, the comforts of home. Take that all for granted. I cherish that so much more now. After living out of a backpack for weeks and weeks, and just trekking and walking, and having to ration food and water, as well as money. I think a reminder for future self, Gary. Cherish life back at home. Almost down to the river. I think Kieran's way down there already.
So we're just walking down the other side now. Lots of autumn leaves around. Just sort of twists and turns down. Nice wind, it's actually pretty cool. It's probably by far the easiest bit of the hike, just the way down. Should be about a mile left. What do you think of Glacier Point?
Yeah, it's pretty good. That's pretty impressive.
Would you rate it above Tunnel View?
Probably not. Tunnel View's probably that tiny bit better. But it's still really impressive.
Careful, you're gonna fall. You're gonna fall.
Crazy. I think that's what we hiked today. That's that
Vernal.
one I think is Nevada Falls. No,
Oh, right, Nevada Falls. Oh, cool. We decided to drive up here for the afternoon, see the sunset. The Half Dome over there. A lot of people here. Can't even see them all, but really popular spot. Great view. The sunset looks really impressive here. I think, in my opinion, Tunnel View's a little bit cooler, but still it's really good. Definitely worth going up here. It's like an hour drive. There's a bit of traffic.
Can't wait for my chicken soup. It's 10:30 p.m. at night. We've made our dinner, did our campfire thing, and I guess it's time to sort of get ready for bed. Not looking forward to this, considering last night was absolutely crazy.